my cat and my dog. Huy, my cat guys so dirty, you know? When come outside and come back home very, very late. That's why I not shower with my cat. I not shower him. I need to make shower. Because you jealous when I touch my cat, when I touch Mimi, huh? You want I touch you also? Kasi, Anyway, where's your ball? Find your ball there. Dali. Search your ball. Bola! Mino piasi kusi. Your bola, ba bene? Mino piasi kusi to sport comigo, gaba? Guarda your face. Seduto. Seduto. Que bravo. Seduto, ba bene? Non bene con me, ha? I come outside. Dove vai? Tu seduto? Dove vai? Va bene. Ciao. I come outside. Ciao, Jong. What happened to you? Amore bello ko. What happened? Are you okay? Mama mia. Pyuko, I don't like you. Ay, perché you come to me kasi? Porque I have the hair, you know. If you come to me. Anyway, today is raining, guys. And bad weather. But now, stop the rain. Anyway, my garden, it's puro damo. Ang lalaki ng damo, guys. I don't know why. Tingnan nyo, guys. Anyway, yan, guys. Yung gulay na malalaki. Yung dahon. Pwede mo yan yung gulayin. I mean, kakainin. Ano daw, gulayin? Yeah. 1, 0. Minikwa mo re. Dubise. Minikwa. Aalis na naman yung pusa ko. Yun ah. Kumakati yung ano niya. Yung buras. Alam niyo guys, yung pusa ko, pag umaga, aalis yan agad. Tapos babalik na naman ng anong oras. Kaya minsan, madungis. Hindi ko na nalinisan. Nagluluto ako ng pagkain ng aking aso. Tingnan mo guys, pasta. And chicken. Mix ko para makakain siya ng pasta. So, ayan guys. Oh, more than ano na to, 15 minutes. But still not di pa luto. Ayan. Anyway, it's ano, what time now? 5:20. So, mag 5:20 na. I still like early but it's dark. Already dark. Kasi guys. Ayan, walang tao yung bahay namin. Ayun yung higaan ng pusa ko. Yan, may sapin. Dahil ayaw kong madumihan yung upuan ng kanyang buhok. Minsan kasi pag humiga siya, dumidikit minsan yung buhok. Kaya, ayun. So, that's all. That's all daw. And I don't want a dirty house anyway. Tingnan mo yung kalat kung di pa ko tapos. Charan.